Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car DVR mirror in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car DVR mirror to buy right now in your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 10.99 Rearview Mirror. Specifications: brand name, Abay. Model name, V2. Frames per second, 30 fps. Imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD. Pixels, 1200 mega. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Digital media format, ABI. View angle, 170 degrees. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Max external memory, 512G. Operating system, Android. Voltage, 12 volts. Screen resolution, 1920 by 1080. Display size, 10.99. Rear camera, 720p. Weight, 1,600 grams. Number 4 is HGDO M1064CH Mirror Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, HGDO. Model name, M106. Frames per second, 30. Imaging sensor, 1/3 color CMOS. Pixels, 800 mega. Out power, 5 volts. Material type, plastic. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. View angle, 170 degrees. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Max external memory, 128G. Operating system, Yuna OS. Voltage, 5 volts. Screen resolution, 1600 by 480. Display size, 11.26 inches. Weight, 1,300 grams. As the item number 3, we've selected Blue Avito Car Mirror. Specifications: brand name, Blue Avito. Aperture, f2.0. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 140 degrees. Max external memory, 128G. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX323. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12-inch. Chipset manufacturer, Spreadtrum SL8541E. Frames per second, 30. System, Android 8.1. RAM, 4 GB, 32 GB. Front camera, 1280 by 720p. Rear camera, 1920 by 1080p. Weight, 1150 grams. Warranty, 365 days. Number 2 is Car Mirror Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Blue Avito. Aperture, f2.0. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 128G. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 1/3 color CMOS. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 11.26 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Spreadtrum. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 6 months. On the top of our list at number 1 we have ImageBond Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, ImageBond. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128G. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, external. Interface, AV-in, micro SD, TF. Chipset manufacturer, Rackchip.